Soy chicken is a relatively simple recipe. The ingredients are 1 pound chicken thigh fillets, of course soy sauce, garlic powder, about a third of a regular yellow onion, and of course some cooking oil. You start by dicing the onion, and adding it to the pot with a little bit of cooking oil. You will turn on the heat to medium and cook the onion until it is glassy. While waiting for the onion to heat up, you can already start removing the excess fat from the chicken thighs and then slicing the chicken. Once the onion starts to glisten or maybe even brown a little bit, you can add the chicken. And now stir until the chicken whitens. Meanwhile, on the side, you can also start on your side dish. I like my soy chicken over rice. Once the chicken has whitened sufficiently, add just a little bit of the garlic powder, not too much, and a bit of soy sauce. But don't be too excessive with that either. Bring it back to a boil, then cover, and wait for the sauce to thicken a little bit. Give it a stir or two once every minute or so. And by the time the rice is done, so will be the chicken. You can turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit naturally. This recipe serves about 4 people, but any leftovers can be frozen and put away. When reheating, do not use a microwave, rather reheat it over the stove. Jó étvágyat!